clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to round up the streets before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
There's no need for that. I think that's enough for today.
What informed me about those bikes? I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His marks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, Oh, no. Looks like you've lost power. Oh, I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at Matty.
Huh? Huh? Yeah.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Woo, that was close. Oh, you found my missing screw. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Ruddy lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.